This is the story of Jenna, a chemistry student who just learned about classification of chemical reactions and now can't stop noticing them in her daily life. In class, she learned what a chemical reaction is, about reactants and products, and some ways reactions can be classified. Jenna was very intrigued by chemical reactions. This is when one or more substances undergo a change into one or more new substances. The substance present at the beginning is called a reactant, and after the change, the new substance is the product. After hearing about chemical reactions, reactants, and products, Jenna's first thought was of her favorite hobby, building Lego models. Before she begins to build, she starts with an assortment of random Lego pieces, and then she fits the pieces together to form a unique product. So if her model was the final product, are the Lego pieces the reactants? Jenna asked her chemistry teacher if she was right. She was. The pieces are the reactants and the end model is the product. The whole process from pieces to building to model is an example of a reaction. A chemical reaction happens when chemical elements undergo a similar process. An example of a chemical reaction is a hydrogen molecule reacting with an oxygen molecule to form a water molecule. The hydrogen and oxygen are the reactants and the water is the product. Jenna's teacher then told the class that chemical reactions can be classified into several types. That day, they learned about addition reactions and decomposition reactions. Jenna's teacher said that her Lego building was an example of one of these types of reactions. Can you guess which one it was? Jenna thought for a moment and then decided it must be an addition reaction. She was right again. An addition reaction is when two or more substances react to form a single new substance. Just like the water example from earlier. A decomposition reaction is the reverse of an addition reaction. A decomposition reaction is a chemical change in which a single compound breaks down into two or more products. In a decomposition, Jenna's Lego wall is the reactant and the individual Lego pieces are the products. An example of a chemical decomposition is the breakdown of water into the individual molecules it is composed of, oxygen and hydrogen. What examples of addition and decomposition reactions can you think of?